Here's how to make your Facebook profile private. First thing we're going to do is go down to this menu icon at the bottom right. Next, we're going to need to scroll down to where we see settings and privacy. We need to click the drop down and go to privacy shortcuts. Here we're going to want to click on review a few important privacy settings, and we're going to click on who can see what you share. Let's go ahead and click on continue. And now the only thing we need to change here is these two settings at the bottom. So who can see your friends list on your profile. We want to change this friends, or maybe we want only me or only specific friends, whichever option you prefer. I'm going to change this to only me. And then we can click on this button here. And then this says who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. We can change this to be public, friends, friends except, specific friends, or only me. I'm going to change this to only me. Then we're going to go ahead and click on next. And right here we can say future posts can be seen by only me, but we can change this to be whatever we want. We can change who can view our stories to be public, friends, or custom. And we can also limit past posts. So if we click on the limit button and click on limit, it's going to limit all of our past posts. Go ahead and click on next. And here we have an ad block list if we want to block specific people. Once we've done that, go click on next. And now it says you're all set. If we click on review another topic and we exit out of this, our profile page on Facebook should now be private. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.